All right, so we're gonna go ahead and blow her out. I'm gonna do that off camera because who wants to watch me blow dry? Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is a mannequin that desperately needs to be washed. This is our easy long layer cut. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what I'm seeing, give me a kiss. Give me a like, give me a share. Comment down below. Hang out, guys. So today I have a fresh mannequin and I'm very excited, but because she's fresh out of the bag, these ends are just crazy. They are crazy. So we are going to do a long layer cut. We're gonna make these ends nice because I have a lot of color planned for her. Blonde mannequins, I love it. No bleach necessary. So yeah, we are going to start with a shampoo and condition because let's work on clean hair. All right, we are shampooed and conditioned. We're gonna brush her out. Okay, of course I'm using my detangling Be Creative brush mixture of detangling bristles and boar hair bristles. We're just gonna gently comb her out. And I'm just brushing her into the natural fall, how this mannequin was made. And okay, I'm actually gonna leave that right down in her face because in this long layer cut, we're gonna do a little bit of framing. Okay, next, grab our comb. We're gonna grab some clips. I'm gonna grab 3 because that's about how many I usually use for a cut, 3 to 4. Okay, and we're gonna start with the perimeter of the haircut, the baseline of the haircut. And I'm trying to save length, but I just need to get these little ends off that don't make sense. Scissors. Watch out. Okay. I'm gonna start at the back. That all down. I'm gonna take this off. This is gonna do nothing for me. And we're just gonna bring it around. This is what's called a stationary guide. This guide stays put and I move accordingly. And keep everything lined up with my initial guide. Combing everything down nice and smooth, getting the tension with my fingers here. Boom. Make sure she's even. Cute. Okay, great. Now, we're gonna head to the front. We've got our longest length. I'm gonna get my shortest length. And this length in the face frame is going to be the basis for our layers. Everything's gonna connect. This is gonna be great. Okay? Alright. So I'm going right on her parting, where her cowlick is. Her factory cowlick. I'm gonna establish my shortest length. Okay, so now we're gonna connect our shortest length with our longest length, and that's gonna create this. Here's my guide, we just gotta connect the two. And I'm gonna elevate my section just a little bit because I wanna preserve as much length as possible. So elevating, it's like over directing, it'll preserve some length for us. Right on down. Same thing, other side. And even again, right there, when I'm connecting my framing to this long length, I can take this section, I can take the sides and going into the back. She is just shed city. Boom. Okay, it's making me nuts. And I can whoosh, bring it forward, connect it, and I know I've preserved the length going into the back. So, I'm going to take my shortest length, right up front here. And I'm gonna go backwards in a mohawk section to the crown. Okay. To the crown. So, we're gonna take this section, over direct it, find my guide, which is here. This is my shortest length, my guide. And boop, 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 boop. Take that off. Okay, continuing with my mohawk section. So there we go. We got our mohawk section. And we're working with a very disgruntled mannequin. Stand! Yes, okay. So we got that. And now we're going to, here is my guide. All this comes off. Now, next section. We're going on the crown of the head. So, this is gonna be our guide. Let's not lose that. We're gonna do kind of a diamond-shaped section. I'm gonna put the sides away. We don't need the sides. All right. So there's our perimeter. This is our weight. We want this to stay nice and heavy. And my diamond, I'm bringing all the way to the occipital bone, to this ridge, right here, where the head protrudes before it indents again, okay? Now, we're going to find our guide from the mohawk. There it is. There is our guide. Bring everything to that point. I'm gonna bring it forward just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Preserving length after all. Great. Okay, and now we do the sides, which will finish up mostly this haircut. The wet cutting portion of this haircut, at least. Okay, so I'm going back to natural fall, back to where I started. So we're just going to leave the perimeter out. So I'm gonna let that be. I'm gonna let that be. I'm gonna grab some of my diamond from the crown so that I'm kind of blending two guides together. I've got my mohawk guide established with my diamond. So I'm gonna comb all that straight up. Again, we're gonna find our guide from the mohawk section, just here. And I'm gonna take this, and my back guide is here. So there we go. Guide, guide. All this goes. Same thing, other side. All right, so we cut going horizontally, or vertically, excuse me, we cut vertically. So we're gonna check horizontally, okay? So I'm gonna take this side, all right? I'm gonna check it from the front going back. Sarlacc. Woo! Okay. Section by section. Going back. Okay, make sure your two sides are even. Okay. So we check the sides. Now I'm gonna blow dryer. And then we are going to look for weight and texturize and do any blending that needs to be done. And that's pretty much it. This cut is so quick and easy. Oh my God. Okay, she's blown out. She's beautiful. These layers look great. So now I just want to go through the cut and find heavy bits without taking any more weight from the perimeter, from the base of our look. So I can see right off the bat, I've got more vavoom happening on this side than this side. So just gonna grab my comb. Okay, where am I seeing this? This front section here. So I'm gonna go ahead, right from the crown, right behind the ear. Not catch my own hair. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna drop out my perimeter because I don't really want to touch that. Then I'm gonna take from this side, I'm gonna grab some of that mohawk section. I'm kind of bringing her 90 degrees straight out from the head. I'm gonna over direct a little bit forward. My fingers are kind of on this, I'm perpendicular to the floor, but I'm kind of out with the hair, see? Boop, right here at the top of the screen, boom. Here is my guide. So I'm just gonna let this go. And I'm gonna point cut. Give it a little texture. Okay, let's just make sure that that's all blended in. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go right into the front. I'm gonna take that frame bit. I'm gonna come out at 90 degrees. There we go. I'm gonna take all this. Section behind it, and this time I am taking the perimeter with me. We're connecting the dots, slightly overextending, right here. All connected. Okay. I'm gonna do the same kind of deal with the that's still a little heavy, right? Okay. So, I also like to just go into my ends, reverse that angle, make sure everything is blended. Okay, I could stand here and do this all day, but that is the long and short of it. The long and short of it. Okay, so that's it. That's our long layered cut. She's voluminous. She still has all of her length. Yes, but it's nice and cleaned up now at the bottom. We don't have those crazy scragglers. I have plans for you, my dear, so thank you guys so much for joining me today for this long layer cut. Super simple. Just do your bottom perimeter first, and then go in, establish so your longest length, your shortest length, connect, mohawk, connect to the front, diamond, connect to the top, blow her out, go through, point, cut, and refine. Boom, 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 boom. So, yeah, awesome. Until next week, guys, you can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss, or you can go to giveyourhairakiss.com, check out my products and exclusive offers while you're there and happen to be in the New York City area. Come see me kiss here at the kissing booth. It'll be great. So until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.